Alright, my first time inside Fancy Frank's on College Street. I had ordered the chili dog with cheese, onion rings, and I didn't grab my drink, but a can of Coke. It's come up to, with tax, $19.40. Bite of this. The bun feels nice and fresh. It'll be a messy one. Right on my pants. Messy one. Oh, it's good. It's very good. All beef wiener here. Hot dog. Take your bite. Is it as good as my chili dog? No. Got their onion rings, nice. These are good onion rings. I like the crispy out batter. So good. Take your bite. Yum. And yes, so in this neighborhood, it's Fancy Frank's. Try their chili dog. They have a bunch of different other dogs. I'll show the menu after. So take your bite. Take your bite. Take your bite.